Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to fix Bluetooth connection issues on your DREAME TV. So if you're experiencing issues with your Bluetooth device, the first step to troubleshoot this issue is simply power cycle your TV. To do that, turn off your TV by holding down the power button and selecting OK under power off option. Then unplug your TV from the power cable, from the power source, and wait for about a minute, and then plug the cable back into the outlet. Then power your TV on and let it restart. If after restart the issue didn't go away, then let's go to devices settings by pressing the gear button on the remote control to open quick settings menu, and then select the gear icon on the screen to open all settings. Now if you are not paired with your Bluetooth device yet, go to remotes and accessories in settings menu and select pair accessory. Make sure that your Bluetooth device is in pairing mode and close enough to your TV, so within about 2 meters of your TV, so that your TV can find your Bluetooth device. If not, bring it closer, and once it appears on the list, select your Bluetooth device and try to pair with it. Then confirm, and then everything should be working just fine. But if you are already paired with your Bluetooth device and you still cannot use it, then I recommend just selecting your Bluetooth device right here, then selecting forget option to unpair it from your TV, click yes, and then repair it with your TV. Put your device back into the pairing mode so that your TV can detect it, and select it right here. Now, to make sure that we experience no issues, especially if you still do, go to System menu, and in System menu, select Storage, then select Free Up Storage, and then select a Clear Cache right here. Click OK, and let your TV get rid of all the cache gathered on your device. After that, check for software updates. So in System menu, select About, then System Update, and let your TV check for available software updates. And if you do have a software update to install, then take your time to download and install the latest software version for your TV. Then your TV will restart, and then check your Bluetooth connection once again. The problem should be resolved. If you don't have any software update, then in System menu, navigate to the latest option, which is Restart. Select it, and then select Restart, and let your TV reboot, and then reconnect to your Bluetooth device. And at this point, the issue should be gone. If not, then check your Bluetooth device with another device, maybe with your smartphone, if it's possible, tablet, PC, whatever, and check if it works with another device, because if the issue is still not gone, then probably your Bluetooth device is faulty. And that's basically it for this video. Thank you for watching it. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.